Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the best sublimation printer under $500. These printers are especially for users looking for high-quality, budget-friendly printers that can take their sublimation projects to the next level. Each printer's output quality is sure to impress, and they are all designed with the user in mind. We all know that a quality printer is essential for successful sublimation projects, so let's look at the best printer under $500. To help you, we've selected 5 of the best sublimation printers under $500 and reviewed each. Each printer offers a unique, high-quality solution to help you on your sublimation journey. These printers can be used in any condition and will surely provide a great result. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each sublimation printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Epson Expression HD XP-15000 printer. The ultimate creative companion for your printing needs is the Epson Expression Photo HD XP-15000 wireless color wide format printer. This printer is a game changer, offering professional-grade results without breaking the bank. Let your imagination run wild as you unlock a world of vibrant, borderless prints up to a stunning 13 inches by 19 inches. With its individual 6-color Claria Photo HD ink system, this printer delivers an ultra-wide color gamut and enhances black and white prints like never before. Say goodbye to dull and hello to brilliance. It includes unique red and gray inks for that extra touch of artistic finesse. Creating professional projects has always been challenging. The XP-15000 boasts a 50-sheet rear tray, perfect for specialty media like cardstock, and it accommodates various paper finishes and sizes from 4 inches by 6 inches to 13 inches by 19 inches. Versatility at its finest. Unleash your imagination and take your printing to new heights with the Epson Expression Photo HD XP-15000. It's the best sublimation printer under $500, delivering professional quality prints with a touch of pizzazz. So if you like this printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now.